Hey friends, welcome back. If your Navien Tankless water heater is showing the E110 error code, it means the unit has detected abnormal air pressure and has shut down to protect itself. Simply put, the heater isn't getting enough air to breathe properly. Tankless water heaters rely on steady airflow to ignite the burner, heat the water, and safely exhaust combustion gases. When that airflow is blocked or restricted, the system won't operate. In most cases, the E110 error is caused by blocked air intake or exhaust pipes. Snow, ice, leaves, insects, or dirt can clog these vents and disrupt airflow. Before doing anything, turn the heater off and unplug it for safety. Then check the outdoor exhaust vent and clear away any visible debris. Next, open the front panel and clean the air intake filter with water, letting it dry completely before reinstalling. After that, inspect the condensate trap at the bottom of the unit and drain any buildup that could be blocking airflow. Once everything is clear, restore power and restart the heater. If airflow was the issue, the error should disappear. To prevent E110 errors, regular maintenance is key. Clean the air filter every few months, keep the vent pipes clear year-round, and schedule annual servicing to flush the heat exchanger. If the error keeps returning, the problem may involve a faulty pressure sensor or internal component, which should only be handled by a licensed technician to protect your safety and warranty.